This is Heidi from Free Spirit News, bringing you a different kind of pigtail. Unlike Wilbur, the radiant pig in the book Charlotte's Web, pigs don't really talk, but they are smart, and they're good problem solvers. One farmer in Australia found out just how good pigs are at figuring out puzzles. He was having trouble keeping one clever pig in her pen. No matter how many different latches the farmer put on the gate, the pig always seemed to figure them out. She would open the latch and escape into the fields. But the farmer was tricky too. He made a latch that took 2 steps. To open it, the pig would need to press down a ring and also lift up a hook. While the pig watched, the farmer put the latch on the gate. He tested it a few times. Then the farmer was curious to see what the pig would do. He decided to hide and watch her. When the farmer was out of sight, the pig made her move. The farmer said that she opened the latch in 30 seconds. Then she trotted happily into the field. Scientists think that pigs are in the top 10 list of the world's smartest animals. They communicate with each other using 20 to 30 different sounds. Okay, you say. So pigs are no dummies, but they smell bad. Plus, they roll around in the mud. Yuck. You're right about the mud. It's a pretty messy habit. But pigs have a good reason for rolling around in the muck. Pigs don't have sweat glands. Sweating keeps many animals cool, so on hot days, mud helps pigs cool down. It also protects their skin from bugs. The mud even acts as a sunscreen. Pigs can get sunburned just like people. Also, pigs themselves don't smell bad. The pig pens where they live can stink if they get too dirty. But that's true of all animals. People too. Isn't it time to clean your room? Not all pigs live in pens. Some are pets and live with people inside their homes. Lulu, a pot-bellied pig, was a pet. She lived with a woman named Joanne. And Lulu showed that she was good at sizing up a problem. One day, Lulu and Joanne were relaxing in Joanne's home in the North Woods of Pennsylvania. Suddenly, Joanne had a heart attack. She fell to the floor. Joanne was alone, except for her dog and Lulu. She was very scared. The family dog didn't know what to do other than bark, but Lulu heard Joanne's cries. She shuffled over and sniffed out the situation. Then she took action. She crashed her 150-pound body right through the pet door of Joanne's home. She cut her tummy on the door's sharp edges, but she didn't stop. She charged out into the fenced-in yard. Lulu hardly ever set hoof outside the yard's gate. Sometimes she had taken walks on a leash, but on this day, she managed to push open the gate all by herself. Lulu ran to a nearby road and laid down in front of the oncoming cars. Drivers swerved and honked, but Lulu didn't run away. Finally, a young man stopped. He followed Lulu to Joanne. Then he called an ambulance and saved Joanne's life. Lulu's courage made her famous. She soon became the best-known pig in Pennsylvania and beyond. Reporters wrote stories about her. They took her picture. But Lulu didn't seem to care about fame. Her favorite reward? A gooey, jelly-filled donut.